When you're pregnant, you just do what you gotta do. It's gonna be okay, you guys. It's gonna be okay. I'm prepping for a baby. You guys, I'm so freaking excited I get to show you this. I am so sore this morning, you guys. Like, yesterday was my first full out workout back. I know I only took a week off of like just mild workouts when I was going through all the stuff with my doctors having me do modifications, but I went like kind of hard after my live workout. I did my leg and booty day and I'm so sore. Like, I foam rolled and everything, but we're gonna push through today. I'm gonna try to take some time to stretch, but we're actually headed into the office. So we go into the office 2 days a week, and then we work from home the other days. But today we actually have to do like a mini shoot in the office. We did a big shoot for our holiday campaigns and all these challenges a couple months ago actually to get ahead, but then some of the footage got lost, which was so disappointing. Like, the shoot was so cool and we still have a lot of it, but like some of the stuff got messed up and lost on the camera. So long story short, we're gonna reshoot some of that today, just in the office and make it work, because sometimes you just have to do that. So I'm doing my own hair and makeup. Normally if we have like a big shoot, obviously like I'll have someone else do it, but I'm just up early. I didn't work out this morning because I knew I needed that extra time to like do like serious shoot makeup. So I'm gonna try to do that, have my coffee, and then just head into the office and start the day. The only funny thing about the shoot that we're doing today is that we shot it when I was pregnant, but I wasn't really like showing much yet, like just like a little bit, because when the shoot comes out, it's gonna be December and I won't be pregnant anymore, which is crazy to think about. But right now, like, I'm very much showing, but whatever. You just gotta do what you gotta do, you know? Because I know come November when we would need to shoot it, otherwise I'm definitely not gonna be able to shoot it because I'm either gonna be crazy pregnant or have a brand new little baby, so. Be a little preggo looking in the shoot. It's fine. I just got this new blush, you guys. Can you see that? Sort of. Okay. It's called Shelly by Benefit. It smells so freaking good. I've always loved Benefit's brushes and bronzers, like for powdered ones are my favorite. But it smells like, I don't even know. Like, I don't know how to describe what it smells like, but it's yummy. I still have to do my hair, but I got my outfit on. The biggest thing is my boobs don't really fit in much anymore. So luckily they're kind of in there. But literally from the front, I feel like you can't totally tell I'm pregnant. Like, right? You can still see, my room's so messy. You can still see like a little ab definition. But then when I turn to the side, it's like, oh, hi baby. There you are. So we're gonna just probably take most of the photos straight on because I won't have a baby by then. So this will be like, look. No baby. So weird. Obviously I'll have a baby. I just realized I said I won't have a baby. I will have my baby, but he'll be like in my arms, not in my stomach. Yeah. Okay, my hair is pretty much done, but I've had so much new hair growth using like my friend's banging hair products and then also just probably being pregnant, but I feel like I have a lot of flyaways. So this is just like some Sun Bum Surf Paste like hair wax, and I'm just gonna use a little eyebrow eyelash curler thing and take it thinly to get rid of any of those flyaways, and it totally helps. Ooh, there's some serious sun in here. So we're about to shoot in about 20 minutes, but I am so hungry. So we stopped and got, let me see this, a million egg white breakfast burritos. We can share some, but I need to eat a little bit before this shoot. It's a different world, you know? Like, normally I might not eat a whole breakfast burrito right before doing a photo shoot, but When you're pregnant, you just do what you gotta do. Christmas tree time! Oh! What are you looking? I'm just watching.
Christmas in July, literally.
Oh yeah! It's true. It was originally Christmas in May. When did we shoot this?
Yeah.
Christmas in May. Now it's Christmas in July. It works.
It works.
These are so ridiculous. Yeah, 5.5 months pregnant, just rocking 6-inch stilettos with rhinestones. My fat feet can get in them. Ah. Christmas in July. Oh my gosh, I can't get this foot on. Okay, hold on.
Okay.
All right.
Oh.
Prego champion.
Oh my gosh.
Taking over.
We have like it.
I only ate half a burrito. I have a stuffed sauce.
Whoa.
Here.
We got it.
I'm like vlogging at the same time.
We just wrapped that shoe. We got it done probably in like less than 30 minutes, which was awesome. Wardrobe change because we have a new product launching next week. By the time this actually is live, I think it's gonna, this video I think is going live on launch day. So if you go to lsf.store, you'll see what I'm launching, and maybe I'll show it to you guys in this video since it'll be that day too. You guys, I'm so freaking excited I get to show you this. I didn't even think about the fact that this vlog is going live on Thursday, which is when we're launching the product. So I actually get to show it to you instead of just teasing like, oh, we have a new product coming. Just freaking out. Okay, so meet Pep Rally. Pep Rally is our new energy boost. I've been working on this for over a year because I wanted to give you something that would be an amazing pre-workout or just natural energy any time of day, whether you don't drink coffee but you want a little boost in the morning, or for that like mid-afternoon slump that will not give you the jitters, does not have like obscene amounts of caffeine and crazy chemicals and nasty ingredients, no sugar, monk fruit stevia blend. It is so amazing. It's green tea, matcha, there's fresh like real lemon in it, so it's like a green tea lemonade flavor. It is delicious and just like literally gives you the perfect amount of energy to like balance without ever getting the jitters, without ever feeling crazy or having that crazy crash that happens from pre-workouts and all the other gross stuff out there. I'm so happy. So she is here for you. This one actually has 40 servings, so she's little, but there's 40 servings. You can do 1 scoop or 2 depending on how much caffeine you want in your drinks. It's great hot or cold. You can make like lattes with it. You can do iced tea with it. Like, it's awesome. Also, it's really freaking good mixed with Wing Woman. Like, it tastes like the most amazing iced tea you've ever had in your life if you mix those two together. I mean, it's great by itself too, but like if you want to be extra and get that immunity boost too, so freaking good. Anyway, I gotta make some reels to share the launch and get ready for that. That's what I'm doing now, but I'm so excited to get to share it with you guys. So I'll link it down below. Go and get it. This one is, they're all so freaking good, but like, you guys have been asking me for years what pre-workouts I take, and I'm like, I don't, because they're crazy and so bad for you. And like, how do you stay energized in the afternoon, especially with hypo and everything else? Pep Rally. It's Pep Rally. Look at her. And we did the most amazingly fun photo shoot and campaign for this, so I'll drop some of that right here for you guys. Big event. It's gonna be okay, you guys. It's gonna be okay. The animal lover. Oh, hi, little friend.
His
business like still there.
We have so many lizards at our house. It's,
Really? Oh, me too. And they're like, they're huge.
we have one that's like salamander.
Doing it for the vlog, you guys.
Actually, I'm like, and then I took out, like,
You're cute. He's so scared.
Alright, let's see if I can get him to go out the door.
Okay.
I feel like this is the second time Ryan's had to do this.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah. Oh,
We had a
oh.
Oh, he moves cute.
Don't go behind the door.
That was cute.
Go that way. We're going right out that way.
They're dancing.
Perfect.
Yay!
No, no.
Yay! Wow, we did it, you guys.
Yeah, that was a lot more than one by my house.
Okay, look how cute these boxes are. The tape says, "I like your energy." So cute. Looks like you can tell it's been a crazy day. My hair looks wild. We're gonna head home. We still have more stuff to shoot, but we need to shoot it like in the kitchen at the house. So we're gonna leave the office a little bit early and get all that done. I just finished shooting that stuff and I had to take some sips of Pep Rally throughout, but I cannot have caffeine after like 2 o'clock or I usually won't sleep. The good news is because of the ashwagandha that's in this blend as well, and green tea and stuff is more of a mild caffeine anyway. It doesn't like make you like, if you were to have like coffee late afternoon, it's not totally the same. Anyway, the ashwagandha actually helps like chill it out even more, which is great. There's lots of sirens outside. Anyway, so it's a perfect time. I'm gonna go get my workout in right now. I just have cardio and some abs today. So I'm gonna do that and then make some dinner. I'm hungry. I feel like I'm hungry constantly during this pregnancy, like starting the last week or so, but also because my belly's starting to grow and stretch, I can't eat that much in any one sitting. So I have to eat like a lot throughout the day of like smaller little meals. And I keep learning this because I'll wanna eat a big dinner and then I eat it and I'm like, literally can't move. So I'm trying to eat smaller, more consistent. Smaller is the key. I was just about to go work out, but I stopped myself. I don't usually do my workouts in the afternoon, so it's not typically an issue, but I've been trying so hard to focus on keeping my skin nice and clear and clean. So I'm gonna wash my face before I work out, because obviously already having foundation and makeup can be like not great for your skin, but especially if you're sweating and it's just like clogging your pores, it's horrible. So we're gonna do a little cleansing, just have a little balm and get it nice and clean first so it can breathe and I can avoid those early pregnancy breakouts. And then this has been my favorite spray lately. It's the Osei C Vitamin Boost and it feels so good. It just is really nourishing, even though I'm obviously gonna wash my face and do like my whole skincare routine tonight after I finish my workout and everything, but I feel like otherwise my skin just gets so dry if I just washed it and left it, and this just gives it enough that hydration so it doesn't feel gross when I'm working out. I'm prepping for a baby. I got a 20-pound vest. I actually got this before I was ever even pregnant and started wearing it on walks just because I felt like it just made them a little bit more intense, and I always like to challenge myself. But now, because it's 20 pounds, I'm only, sorry, I'm like really crouched. I'm only supposed to gain 25 pounds max during this whole pregnancy. So I figure this whole time, if I'm consistently walking with the extra 20 pounds until it obviously doesn't fit anymore, that I'm gonna be strong in my whole body to be able to carry that excess weight around. And then obviously when I have baby, I'll be able to carry him easily and everything else. But it's just an added challenge for me. And I think obviously when I was 45 pounds heavier, that was a lot of extra weight to carry around. I just haven't had that excess weight in so long. So it's a great way to be able to strengthen even when I'm doing more low intensity cardio like walking. So I'm gonna just take this uphill. I don't really feel like going outside right now because I was already in the sun some today shooting. and I just don't want to like get too much sun. So we're gonna just go uphill on the treadmill, about a 3 pace. I'll probably walk it at 12 to 15. I usually will only do the vest for about 20 minutes. That's kind of the extent of the intensity I can take with it because it does get really heavy. And then I'll take it off and do another like 20 minutes or so. I realized after my workout yesterday, I was so exhausted. I never finished the vlog for you guys. So this morning I'm headed to do a little walk with my mom and sister and just start the morning nice and early with that. I feel like the beach walk, especially during summer, getting to meet them in the mornings is just so refreshing and sets me up for like such a good day. So super excited about that. But I'm just gonna tell you guys, it's so cute. Lately, like LBD's been kicking so much, but the last couple of days he wasn't like kicking that much. And I was like, okay, like, hi, like, what are you doing in there? And I feel like all of a sudden because he can hear and stuff now and is like getting familiar with voices and everything, I swear he like loves Ryan's voice. And so whenever we're cuddling together, all of a sudden like he'll start kicking like crazy. And it's so cool because Ryan can feel him. And it's been special, such a special thing for us. Anyway, I'm gonna go start my Friday and hopefully have a super fun, relaxing weekend.